I got some leftover dough, some leftover pork jowl bacon, and a jar of honey and butter. I think we're gonna make something good.
His four fingers, the universal signal that
All right, I got honey and melted butter. All right, a little bit of pork jowl bacon here, honey butter. Fresh bread, slabs of bacon smothered in honey butter. This is nice. That is so good. Oh. I'll tell you what, guys, I've built a lot of lean-tos and bushcraft shelters, but hands down, the best way to stay warm is to build a big fire, clear out the snow, dry out the ground, then move the fire over and sleep on the warm ground.